Mame mo akwaba efa umbra GCN page so meeting at the adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification and send me a so me will be a betty and as obey a share a GCN page here. Former Central Regional Chairman Dema NDC Amayokunu, Ura Bernard Alotejo Corps and na Okase. Na or the secret kesibi pa babonsin. Ochese, a year or man penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on watching the back because and penifun within any minute and ya de omo penasem. Omo ye do na omo a piano cottage. And ya de on penasem, Timama no Jim on some penasem. Na a year ura Ofosu Ampofo, or year chairman Dema NDC Amayokunu, Sicieno, all press on Subabe president, a year 2024, internal 2024 about to be and some won papa and in some basis 2024 no and yasem keto akra na be start from ebia yedu 2023 ho aye ba be ra phone no and asensem no ebesisi because I started NPP for kra mo started and we no be Frank Tuni e de ama NPP Amayokunu no e wa bra na do kremwie and NDC for say ya ensem bebre e wo Ghana haneno and na Ura Bernard Alotejo Corps HSA secret way a secret will be enim. Ofosu Ampofo or planning so be a president e wo Ghana hanum na was starting FE Central Region or the eba near Beteninka. Na the entire Ura Alotejo Corps e kase inane se. And now na Central Regional Youth Organizer Eric Daxon ebekai e wo happy FM say. Central Region for your mother papa. So where you a year Ura Alotejo Corps FE NDC party no omo man suspension na ya men charge the onanka semposi on san so emba back no e ya de a Central Region food the year papa because Ura Alotejo Corps hadwe was Central Region o si NDC for no council youth no mo council omo mana NDC for youth no was Central Region omo nyom ho atwa ye kwakwa Ura Alotejo Corps e kukukuku e wo ho enti suspension omo de amana onanka sase we yi hu adi no a perfect idea. Almost from which a Central Region for them. Sir, and Eric Daxon, our youth organizer, our Central Region, Dema NDC Amayokunu, a day a suja. And our Ura Bernard Alotejo Corps, so a call happy FM, Hono Bisani say. And some say, and Eric Daxon, Ababeka, now all can say, Nem Ura Alotejo Corps, HSA. So Eric Daxon, no cannon to, or by politics in the bank, or ya bofra some more baby cry. Or ya small baby, or by politics in that way or no, or do a penny to so no Alotejo Corps naming a baby church film. Now, sir, boy, no cry Eric Daxon, now, oh, yeah, youth organizer, Edema no Ura Bernard Alotejo Corps, never brana, or yeah, chairman, was Central Region, Italian Tina say, or Cassa. Now, the entire Eric Cassa in Nana say, oh no, Ura Alotejo Corps, where ye and this for moto. Where you almost a 2 on where you need Nana say, almost chairman, or Ofosu Ampofo. Was Central Region Crano, Eric Daxon, no, and our campaign coordinator, a day Emma Ura Ofosu Ampofo, was Central Region. Almost every boy youth in Nano, sir. Almost make a rub Ofosu Ampofo, now 2024, but to me, send a baby over to me to Franca, a day Ama NDC Amayokunu. Lend this with almost a day. Now some of the moment to one and more triumph. Some of the moon who she mono, a cheaper logo vessel. I am one pa, most of my secret na kasa session and send be brave so party anymore but you don't have any idea yenti ensema Ura Bernard Alotejo Corps e de etuda
no I want to go mo mente da waka wo baby as I am for 2024
I'm catch out hey intina it got to a point that Magakan or Peace FM there Eei Mahama watch your back
Happy FM
the very people
Happy FM
you are moving with they are your enemies
Happy FM.
He's coming. I mean, me fighting for any position. Yeah. Look, that boy was my youth organizer.
Yeah, he did say.
Time I'm here, chairman. I was called upon to organize for a campaign lunch. But I realized, 2 years, that is from 2014, 2016. About 2017, I went through hell because I'm not somebody you can stampede. National Funangasan I was a big target. But one year, so me a politics, you know, one political party, and then they were not in the political terrain. And the maybe I catch a man, just throw it off. And there were shadows boxing behind the scene. And to work at there, more organized campaign launch. They are coming to do it in Central Region. We said, fair enough. Can you fill the stadium? We say, yes, I can.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use only 6 constituencies to fill the stadium. Agreed. My regional executives, including Eric.
That's in, yeah.
Eric, that's
Happy FM.
Oko University, mutual school fees. Oko wani Maniska.
Oko University, I only turn school fees.
I was part of
Oko Awari, so a Maniska.
Maniska. You cannot deny.
Happy FM.
Naima. My regional executives, and I'm saying, look, what I want you people to do in there, one form a budget committee. Now, the budget committee and regional minister, yeah, form committees in the regional minister, Kwekuri Hagen was part of that meeting. We took a decision. Let's form committees. No one share committees in so or organization committee. Organization committee, but share one now will be 50 constituencies now. Waba, especially the 6 constituencies in Oye Cape Coast North.
Happy FM.
Abra Sebu Kwamangasi, Infantiman, and Chufo Yimando Wadinsha.
Yeah.
How we mobilize a lot of them to fill the park. And the organization committee. Your Ovanen, youth working committee. Your women's wing. Your communication committee. Ubi anya budget non from that.
Yeah.
Now, budget committee chairman will be my vice chairman, our friend Samuel Wilberforce. I can give you his number, call him. No, but superintend over all budgets. Budgets in where we are. You're the Burma regional minister. No regional minister will present Nkran. But it happened that after year budgeting, the meat price is ahead of you.
Oh,
and you know, who's Ofosu Ampofo na to meat pie no the back
no, but one provide item 13.
There was nothing.
There was nothing, no refreshment whatsoever.
No, nothing.
I see.
I got refresh 1 hour.
Go ahead, dummy into me refresh will be well, go back to my constituency.
Over 30,000 people. No, constituencies in Angasan.
Yeah.
Once a year, budget was very.
I see.
Everyone was out in time. Or budget is very. But I'm minimum. And I didn't involve myself.
Happy FM.
We in that day, no, we in here. There was nothing even like meat pie. If it is meat pie, it came from that boy.
Meat pie.
There was even nothing
what's
like meat pie.
1.6 million.
That's a 1.5 billion.
Yeah. 150,000 Ghana cedis.
No, Chede. Obiela obeji boy now to moon. No, Chede. Sabita fracture. Oh, yeah, bets money.
I see.
You can bet man Obia. It's a be onion.
You
know. No, obeji now to 150,000 Ghana cedis. No, for somebody for not in order to create a be in order to where. But let's put that one aside. What we in? Now, I say, what's the way we want budget? On Vangama regional minister. Regional minister, you Kwekuri Hagen.
Yeah.
Get his number and call him.
I have his number.
Go.
Yeah.
No, what the command? Ricky Hagen. One of from the Mr. Julius Debra. Also, young brand.
Former chief of staff.
Former chief of staff. Young presenting your budget.
Happy FM.
At the then Flags Staff House. You go do all 2 o'clock. You turn 1 to about 6. No catching the president, then president, ex-president Mahama. No work of Central Africa or Hobibi. In the Aruba, the English airport. Because they were eager to ensure the programming.
About those
successfully.
Good.
So I waited. And so do on Julius Ebasi, Papan Oreba, in the younger general airport. That small airport, I don't know whether it's a presidential airport or whatever.
No, and it's
and there baby we see new Terminal 3.
Yeah.
It used to be, there was a small Adibia there. A man paying for walk over Honor.
Yeah, the VIP section.
No, VIP section. It was a small airport, it's a small baby. And the occasion, you are in to new red carpet to the bar. Them
waiting home.
See, I need to, in the course of discussion with the vice Fabrice is at Swaba. So then also they brought the budget. And I Jones Julius on non briefing. No, we are all release his car. And the following day, Yembaji's car. In fact, there, in front of President Eei Mahama, ex-President Eei Mahama.
Happy FM.
No, Mr.
Happy FM.
We'll come back to people's. And the one first Kanema Ricketts Higgin.
Regional Minister
then. Now, one should make sure that now, so what this best. Sikan. Tell you.
Yeah.
Mr. President. Mr. Then President. Sikan one from Ricketts Higgin.
Yeah.
Now Ricketts Higgin so on this best is Sikan based on the recommendation from my vice chairman, who is the chairman for that budgetary committee. Now, since disbursement to be obeyed, Mr. Sam Ofosu. No vice, no recommend, no treasure.
Yeah. No, but scanning could see him regional minister.
Regional minister.
Okay.
No keep his scan, no this busy scan.
In my month, I would man.
Up to now, I don't remember.
But name budget, I want to call you.
No type of budget has right.
I see.
Whether it was 60,000, it was 66,000, it was 600,000. Yeah, I can't remember.
I see.
Because the budget was divided into two. Those for the national executive and then for the region.
For the region, yeah. And we're looking at filling the entire Cape Coast Stadium.
I filled the entire Cape Coast.
You filled the entire stadium, okay.
And the peripheral was all filled from people from other regions. Now here me chafanzo. On am so good work welcome address. We try me no my regional minister on welcome address. I'm very Sir President Mahama, at that time, nobody no campaigner. Okay.